Hey there people, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Coleman Adventure 30-inch rolling drop bottom duffel bag. Yes. Now this bag has, I've only used this bag probably maybe about 5 times. I've used it on maybe three of my vacation trips, and just a few times lugging it around with stuff here in the city. And it's a decent bag. It seems like it's been made very well. It has several pouches for extra storage. It stores pretty much most everything inside here. You have a zipper here to store more items that you need, and this part that comes open to store more items here, and it opens all the way to here and flaps all the way down, so you have like a flat pouch opening right here. And you also have another opening here, lots of zippers, another pouch to put more storage on this side, and you have your handles here with a Velcro attachment here, so you can put these together and hold it like this, which is common to carry this way. And this top part opens here, has 2 zippers, one here and one here for both sides. Yeah, and most everything is stored inside here, right? And it has these straps on the top for carrying anything that you need to access like very quickly, you know, like anything, maybe like another bag or a pouch or something, anything that you need to grab or see from the outside that you don't want to put inside your bag. So it holds it with these straps, right? And you can adjust the tension with this cord, and has a handle here for carrying long ways, you know, like holding it like this, you know. And it has a wonderful opening on this part, so you can drag this along, you know, like a dolly, you know. Like, this is the main thing that makes this bag so wonderful, so you don't really even have to carry it, right? So yeah. And the nice part about this whole thing was the fact that it's so economical. This bag is not very expensive at all. Yeah, and you see the wheels here, which are still in very good shape. You know, I've had a lot of wheels on other suitcases and stuff that broke off right away. These so far are holding up very well. Like I said, I haven't used this bag that often, but so far it seems to be working really nicely. And you get a lot of room, and it feels very sturdy, you know, very like it's well made, you know. So yeah, I've intended to use this more, but I just haven't for various reasons. But it's a really, really, you know, good, soundly made bag, and I really, really was happy to find it because it's so inexpensive. So, but you get a lot of room, and it has a lot of functions, you know, especially the handle there, so you can drag this along. That is always a plus because no one wants to carry their bag anymore since this technology has come out. Everyone wants to roll their stuff around. I do that all the time. Every now and then, you know, of course, you're gonna have to pick it up, but this is good. Now, there's one thing that I did not see on this bag, and I don't know if it's because of just how it's made or it's just not supposed to have it, is like a shoulder strap. Maybe it's not supposed to have it because this bottom part here is very solid. It's like really hard down here, so maybe you're not supposed to be able to carry it. Maybe the technology is not meant for that, with wheels on the side and everything. Maybe you're not supposed to carry it like that, but I don't know. But I thought, being a bag that's shaped this way, it might have a shoulder strap, but I guess not. So, but it's nice having all the other features that it does have. It's really good. I plan on using this bag quite a bit, probably in the coming into the year when we go on our skiing trip. Yeah, looks good, and I'm glad I got it. All right, I hope you guys use this information. We're talking about the Coleman Adventure 30-inch rolling drop bottom duffel. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you again soon. All right, bye-bye.